Okay, today we're going to be making some cornbread. What you're going to need is a cup and a half of milk or buttermilk, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 large egg, a cup of cornmeal, and a cup of all-purpose flour. You're going to need a tablespoon, no, it's a teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And you will need 2 tablespoons of bacon grease. I didn't have any, so I used vegetable oil. You're going to preheat your oven to 425 and start mixing the dry ingredients. Once you've got that all mixed up, start mixing the wet ingredients. Alright, start slowly mixing in the wet ingredients. Don't want it to get all lumpy. Mix it really well. Alright, now I'm going to turn my skillet up to about medium-low. You want it to be about that consistency. It's a little thick. And then pour it over into your skillet. Turn that off. Take it over to the oven. And we're going to leave it in there for about 20 minutes until it starts turning golden brown. Okay, so after about 20 minutes, it should come out looking like this. Golden brown. Be careful, make sure you have a pot holder, because the cast iron gets really hot. Let it cool down for a while and enjoy it.